Hey guys, and yeah, welcome back to another awesome vlog. And I just read in the newspaper this awesome accident. I mean, in Ras Al Khaimah, but it's not awesome, but it's ridiculous. This is the 14 million dirhams yacht. Basically, the yacht gets burned down. Look, 14 million dirhams yacht gets burned down. Look, I'll show you the page. It says over here that the fire started in the upper deck on the 14 million Moon Luxury yacht. Right there it says. Then in attempt to stop the fire spreading, a tugboat pulled the yacht out to the sea. Well, I imagine that guy face when the 14 million dirhams just disappeared. And yeah, the blaze burned completely through the vessel. Look. And then the yacht then sunk to the bottom of the sea. And maybe he got some compensation out of that, but he definitely has to have an insurance on that yacht, because otherwise that dude has a big problem. And yeah, it was in Ras Al Khaimah, so unlucky, man. Imagine his face when he saw 14 million dirhams just burned down. Emirates, UAE Emirates Aviation Center. Maybe you have guessed why we're going there, but I'll tell you at the end of the vlog.
This is Earth Radio, and now here's human music.
Yo guys, we didn't figure out the aviation thing, but we're going to the central post office. Take picture once again. Just said it, have to cut that out.
Забирать. Они в курсе все. То есть тебя там грузить не будут деньги.
مكتوب الفاتورة بتاعتك وهو مرتب معاه الفاتورة والسيرتيفيكات هما 1685
26468
Specialty bags.
Нет, можно бумаги забрать.
Да, давай, заберем.
Guys, we didn't get to pick our delivery, but we need to do some stuff online, register the product, then get the number, then go to the Civil Aviation Authority once again, get the paper, go to the post office, and finally get our thing. So much work, so much time. It takes so long to do this process. So if you wanna deliver something to your house, and you'll have a huge headache afterwards. So better do it in the shop. Just get something from the shop. It's much easier and you don't need to go through this process, and you don't need to go all the way to Deira to pick it up. Just saying. Okay guys, this thing show up in the mail and okay guys, this thing just got delivered to our house. Okay, let's see what do we got. Let's see. Let's unbox it. Ooh, like ripping these packages, man. Feels awesome, man. So there's some tape over here, and let's see our first package. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Wait. There's. Don't care. Oh ho ho! This is something for the camera. Okay. So let's see. This is a selfie stick, I guess. Let's open this selfie stick at first.
You might want to build it.
Okay. Oh, we got the selfie stick. Check this out.
You might want to put this on the camera right now.
Right now?
Right.
No, this is not necessary. But just no, just leave it for now.
Leave it.
Yes. Oh, there's another small box over here. Let's see. Oh, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, have a guess. Bubble wrap. Wait. No. Wait. Slowly. Why is it so hot? Really? Okay. This is a gimbal for our thing. Oh, that looks sick, dude. This
It's not
looks.
even a gimbal.
Okay. You had to say it. You had to say. Okay. Now we get to the big box. Hey, we get to the big box. Focus on the box. Oh, rollerblades. They're so hot, man. Like me. Yeah, smart man. No, that's where you place the camera. This is how it goes here. Here. No, wait. Let me figure it out.
No, you're too dumb to.
Yeah, well. No. Yes. Get it out. Get this out. Yeah. Look.
Better.
There's no instructions? Okay. No, that's not an instruction. Oh, we done it, mate. We done it. And then, how do you...
Yes, now you might want to put your camera in there right now.
Oh, this spins as well? Wait, doesn't... Sick, dude. This is sick.
Here, we're gonna put the camera.
Wait, why is it so like... Oh, okay, hard.
You turn it on?
Yes, it's on recording. Wait, let me go in front.
Okay, that's
Wow, Daniel. That's a skill, Daniel. So we installed the camera into this awesome operating machine.
Это не gimbal.
The camera here, place it here,
And there's a car.
and then place the camera on top there. And this is actually for just the side view, and you have to do it on the flat surface or on like a smooth surface, so the camera doesn't have like, see this, it shakes a little bit. But this is so cool when you do it on the like a table, because the table is straight, no bound, like no gaps. Then you move it, get the free shot.
So guys, let's see how to work. Lev, you wanna sit?
So it kind of flames away. Which one are you looking at?